Chapter 2. The Morals of Dervishes. Story 1. One of the great devotees, having been asked about his opinion concerning a hermit whom others had censored in their conversation, he replied, "I do not see any external blemishes on him, and do not of internal ones. Whomsoever thou seest in a religious habit, consider him to be a religious and good man. And if thou knowest not his internal condition, what business has the muhtasib inside the house?" And that's the importance too. Hey, you don't know what's going on inside, so just don't mess with outer goodness. And perhaps the inner goodness will follow the outer goodness.